Let's solve contains duplicate on LeetCode. In this problem, we're given an integer array nums and we need to return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So here we'd return true because 1 appears twice. Here every element is distinct, so we return false. And obviously here we have many duplicates, so we return true. So this is actually an easy problem, but we just need to be wary of time complexity. So the first way we could solve it, or like the first initial thought, would probably be two nested for loops. And although that would work, that would run at the time complexity of O(n) squared. There's actually another way to solve it, and just time complexity O of n. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to create a set. Why are we going to use a set? That's because sets cannot store duplicates. So we're going to store elements in a set. Obviously, we're going to iterate through the array. If the value that we're on already exists in the set, then we just need to return true. Otherwise, we're going to return false. So let's go ahead and do that now. So set of integer called set equals new hash set. Now we're going to iterate through our array. So for int I equals to 0, as long as I is less than nums.length I plus plus. So if set dot contains nums at I, and we just need to return true. That means we have a duplicate. Otherwise, we're going to add it to our set. So set dot add nums at I. And if we successfully terminate through the entire for loop, then we're going to return false, and there are no duplicate elements in our array. So let's submit this code and see if it works. So there we go. That was the contains duplicate problem on LeetCode. Like I said, it's a very easy problem. I hope you found that video helpful, and thanks for watching.